Hi guys, this is Tom from wavestreaming.com. I'm here today to show you how easy it is to turn your MixMeister mixes into a radio station. As you're already aware, MixMeister is one of the best DJ tools you can use if you want to DJ from home or if you're a professional as well. So you can pre-make mixes, you can do mixing on the fly, you can mess around, you can do all sorts with it. It's just a brilliant tool. If you want to turn this into a radio station, which is very easy and only takes a few minutes, you'll need Winamp, which is a free download. It's a media player. And you'll also need a Wave Streaming Shoutcast server, which you can get from wavestreaming.com, so just head over there and have a look. So the first thing you're going to have to do is, once you've got all those other things set up, you're going to have to go back to MixMeister and click Tools. You want to go down to Audio Output Configuration and click that. So once you've done that, this screen will be shown. If you've been using MixMeister just through your speakers or through a set of headphones, you'll notice it will be on single output. And if you've been using them through speakers as your main output and you preview through your headphones, the second one will be chosen. But we're more interested in this third option here. So when you click on that, this box here will turn to Windows Media, and you want to leave that as it is because it's set to the best quality. And you want your preview output. You can either have speakers or headphones for this, whichever you prefer. And then click OK. Bear in mind that can take some time, so just let it do its thing. So once you've done that, you'll notice in the top right hand corner you've got a play button, or a new play button, and this is perform or pause the performance. Basically, when you click that, it plays your tracks as you've stacked them up, and it will output it to the streaming element. If you click this one here, it'll just preview it either through your headphones or your speakers, as I discussed before. So what you want to do is you want to go over here and actually click perform. And you'll notice it'll start performing. So once you've done that, you want to go down to Winamp, which I've already got loaded up here. And then you want to go to File, click on that, and then click on Play URL. Now the URL you want to enter is mms://localhost:7007/. This is standard. This doesn't change between MixMeister versions. Doesn't matter what computer you've got. This is the standard. You put this one in and it'll work. So once you've done that, you click Open. And MixMeister and Winamp will start thinking about it, and once it's buffered it, it'll start playing, as you can hear there. So once that's playing even, if you come across to your Shoutcast source box here, I've already got mine connected to the server, and as you can see there, it's actually streaming the music to the server, so when people are connected they can hear it. We've got more information on how to set up the Shoutcast source in another tutorial. If you just go to wavestreaming.com, you'll be able to see that there. So that's how easy it is, guys, to get MixMeister, to get your mixes into a radio station. All you have to do is just follow this tutorial and it'll work for you.